You know, it's bad enough I'm a self-taught touch typist who never discovered his home row, but this new sense of panic and treating the damn thing like it's a race has never been held by some form of a bloody timer sitting in the corner of the screen intimidating me. That's the trouble I've always found with typing tests. They immediately take me out of the mindset of typing well and instantly make me feel like I'm running a bloody marathon with my fingers, so I trip and fall repeatedly, making worse and worse mistakes the more I contemptuously stab the backspace key and feel like an utter fraud. You call yourself a writer? Your WPM hasn't changed in years! Recently though, I've discovered a really nice typing test website called MonkeyType. What I really love about it is how it removes the panic-inducing race mentality with its absence of a timer. The option is there, but it's not a permanent fixture.
Relax, there's no race.
It will still tell me my WPM, but without having some irritating little clock to stress me out and allow me to regain my sense of composure, of familiarity, and of what I call home as I poke the keys and follow the words on the screen, completely at ease and being able to more accurately find my WPM without that sudden urge to make it a competition, despite there being nobody to compete with and nobody else to spectate the endeavour.